Hey, it's Clem, and I'm here to say thank you so much for all of your warm welcomes, your vote of confidence, cheering me on, welcoming me back to Slay and Shine, but most of all, welcoming me back to myself. I took some time off. I started Slay and Shine about a year ago, in an attempt to start something new. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Clem Lafreitas. I have been a certified personal trainer for the last 16 years and also a life coach, a certified life coach for the last 6 years. I started the first outdoor women's boot camps in Western Washington. I grew really fast, spread to 5 different cities, and had some great success. And over time, I was able to open a mind and physique transformation boutique for women, a brick and mortar fitness box in Federal Way. My husband quit his job and joined me, and I was so happy because we were doing it together. But during that time period, a lot happened. Over time, I just totally got, I'm not gonna say burnt out, but I really lost myself. I lost myself in the process of creating success based on what society deems success is, with the numbers and the of customers, and the numbers in the bank account, and the numbers of likes on posts and all that great stuff. And I lost myself. So I took time off. I walked away after an anxiety attack that felt like death. I really thought, okay, this is it. I was on the floor of this office and I couldn't breathe. My heart, my lungs, things were constricted. Things were, my heart and my lungs felt like someone was strangling it and pushing down on it, and I couldn't breathe. I couldn't talk. I couldn't yell for help. And I thought, this is it. I'm done. I'm going on to the upper room or the next place, to heaven. And I was scared. I was scared because I wanted to make sure that my family was going to be okay without me. I wasn't sure if my kids knew that I loved them. I wanted to make sure that my husband was going to be okay. And I was worried. And as soon as this peace of calm and understanding came upon me, I realized my chest opened up and my lungs were able to breathe again. I was able to get up, and I realized that was all in my brain. My brain was so smart to put this emergency mechanism to protect myself from all the worry, all the pain, all the depression, all of the anxiety of, do people like this? Do people like that? Am I good enough? Am I being everything for everybody? Everything that they need? Am I serving? Am I giving? Am I people pleasing enough to make everyone happy? And I forgot to make myself happy and worry about my own personal mental wellness. And that's where Slay and Shine is now rebranding. We are Slay and Shine self-care and empowerment, through the journey of me finding myself and realigning to my own voice and standing firm in who I am, being the light and going after my highest and best self. But first, it started from my self-care. I had to really put together a regimen of, even though I didn't fully love myself fully yet, because I really started to believe all the things, all the comments, all the criticism, all of the gossip or whatever was happening. But mostly, people are only dishing out what I'm putting out, right? So if I didn't feel fully secure and fully in love with myself, how do I expect other people? It's not their responsibility to fully love me and to give me the love and appreciation when I'm not doing it for myself. So there is no blame. I feel no remorse. I think it's been a great journey, because then I got to learn this about myself, that it is not anyone's responsibility. It was mine. And I'm so appreciative of what had happened. Through the process, I found therapists, and everything kind of led back to meditation. I've never meditated before. I'm Christian, so I didn't learn it, but I learned meditation. I found a guru. In February, I went to Costa Rica and did ayahuasca plant medicine with some shamans, and now I have a energy healer, spiritual healer, slash life coach, and it's been such a journey. One of the things she has me doing all the time is drinking a gallon of water every day, which is funny because I'm also a trainer, and I tell my clients to drink a gallon of water a day. So in the process of people pleasing, making everybody happy, I didn't even take care of myself. And so that showed to me how much I really put myself to the side and didn't really love myself enough to put up the boundaries. So slay and shine, self-care and empowerment. My first tip of this new season 2 of the podcast, is your gallon of water. This is 32 ounces, so I have to drink 4 of these in a day, but I put one drop of lavender doTERRA and 2 drops of lemon. Okay, I am not a distributor for doTERRA, but it's so good. I don't even need coffee. Because of the meditation right after, I feel super energized. For one thing, lemon is already high vibrational and energetic. The lemon does calm my nerves, but as soon as I wake up, like this morning I woke up at 4 because I taught the 5 a.m. class at my Victory Get Fit Club in Federal Way. So I had my 5 a.m. women, and I woke up at 4. I drink half of this, so 16 ounces, and then I meditate for 20 minutes. Right after the 20 minutes, I do 3 gratitudes, 3 affirmations, and 3 intentions or things that I know I need to do for the day. And I do that. That is my morning ritual. And so I'll be going through these, I'll be making podcasts and videos with some of my tips and tricks, and really getting into the mindset of healing the inner self, healing our confidence, realigning, coming back home to ourselves. I'll be interviewing some really amazing women who have gone through the journey also. The next person on the podcast is Kim Bao, and she also has a podcast called From Trauma to Triumph. She's a boxer, single mom, all that great stuff, and check out her. She's just doing a lot of, she went through metamorphosis also, going from corporate, quitting her job at about the same time I walked out of my company. She quit her job too. So it's been funny that we've been in this same metamorphosis journey, evolution at the same time, going through our own personal healing of our heart and our soul, and then now creating something from all of that. And that is my tip of the day, is sink into yourself, sink into your body, breathe, meditate, but first start the day with some energizing, clean, clear water. Start with water, because it really is it's a high vibrational energy, this water. So get to it right in the morning. Start with caring for yourself first, not trying to get to a job and caring for other people first. You first, all right? See you later.